Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you another massive feature that we have available as a part of OTO2. Now, so far from the videos you have seen that we've got a very streamlined process for creating word ladder puzzles, all right? Now, we are taking this or the creativity levels to, the next phase. We are going beyond the sentences that you have been writing for your clues. Instead of sentences, what we want to do now is have visuals, have images in place so that the educational process is that much more fun for the kids to enjoy. All right, so what we're going to do here is this. Let me just go ahead and introduce a specific template that has been built specifically for this particular purpose. All right, so what I've done here is I have inserted a template which is now available over here. As you can see, let me just zoom it. You would see that we've got something called image placeholders that are available over here, right? So these are designed in a way that when you insert multiple images, they'll conveniently snap into these placeholders, and there is a very intuitive process that we have built in here for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at how is it that you can work with these. All right, so first of all, you need to go to upload images. When you go here, click on these upload images, and then you'll be able to select the images that you are interested in. So for example, I have got these input files available over here. So I'll select 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, whatever it is. And then you decide the sequence in which you want to enter it, right? So when you are creating this word list, obviously you have your words. You just have to make sure that your images are aligned to it. So for me, this is where my clues are aligned with the words that I have here. Okay, so what I do is I click on this first, then this, because that is the sequence in which I have got my words, and the instructions and the clues must be aligned with that as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert it to the boxes. Okay, so this is what I'm going to click on, and the moment you click on it, you would see that these boxes are now filled with these images. That's how convenient it is. So if you have figured out your icons, if you've got your illustrations in place, if you have you could use some of the illustrations that we have given in the past, or probably the ones that will be included in OTO3 as a part of this particular funnel. You could do that, or what you could do is you could create your own, right? You could have access to a lot of these designs from the design packs that you might have bought from other places and so on, right? So that's how easy it is. And not only this, you could actually create something of your own as well. We'll be giving you a lot more variations, but take a look at this. All of a sudden, what we have done is we have changed the look and feel of this entire thing. Do you see this? Right? This is how creative you can get with the application. It gives you the ability to craft something that is unique to you, and you can see how I am playing around, literally I'm playing around with the options or the opportunities that are available to me over here, right? I started with something and I completely molded this to a design that I'm happy with, okay? Now, let's say we go ahead and clone this, all right? Let's say we go ahead and clone this, and we want to change things around a bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do this, okay? Reduce this to whatever size I need, and then have this here, correct? So the choice, the freedom of expressing yourself on the pages that you craft or that you create lies with you. You are the final authority in terms of what goes on to your pages, and the application is designed to give you that creative freedom. Trust me when I say this, you will be making some high quality books using this, but that is not even the fun part. The fun part is this exercise of creating books is probably going to be therapeutic in nature for you, right? So this is the feature that I wanted to demonstrate. Let me show you another example, and then we can conclude this particular video, because you now have pretty much got the entire idea of how this works. All right, so we've got this, right? We've got a layout like this, and what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and delete whatever I have here, and then upload the next set of images that I have created. Now, you don't have to number it accordingly. I just do it just to make sure it's aligned with what I want. So this probably is dog, so I'm just gonna number it like so. Then this one is probably dot, this is, I don't know what it is. This is probably pot, and then this is hot, right? So that's the sequence. Go ahead and insert it, and this is what you see, right? Looks beautiful, right? Looks elegant, looks amazing. And yeah, this is what the OTO2 image clue based feature looks like. All right. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll be with you with another video where I'll be sharing some really cool features that we have in OTO2 in addition to whatever you've already seen. Thank you.